Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I want to show you guys what I have here. I have a garden hose holder. Boy, say that 3 times fast. See if I can get this open here with this little drill bit I have. Don't know if it's gonna work. There we go. Okay, so I'll show you guys what this is and how it works. So we've got all these pieces and parts in it. We have our instructions, which look like this. If you need it, pause it and zoom in. I will kind of review it here as I go. Comes with a few pieces here. I guess these are going to be some of the risers for it. Real big here. You tighten very strong by hand. Okay, there we go. Now it is completely put together, so your hose will go on it there, and you can spike it into the ground, and you see it sits up about, say about 4 feet or so. So this is what it looks like. So it's really cool. I can go and hang my hose on it. I don't have a hose right now. I have a wire. Let me see. Oops, I guess I can't get that one out of here. Things will wrap around it like that, and it'll be nice and sturdy and hold your hose really good. It's got a little clip here, so if you have a little handle hose, you can even hang it on there. So very cool. Thumbs up. I like it.